Welcome to your Flame Fundamentals training. When working in a sequence, there is sometimes the requirement to locate a frame from a particular source. Perhaps you're trying to locate the audio sources from a video-only edit, or you need to use the same source as part of a VFX. Flame has a variety of reveal and match tools to help. So you'll cover how to reveal a source clip in the media panel, how to match out a source clip for VFX work, and the difference between reveal and match. So you are working in a sequence and you would like to reveal a source clip for a particular segment. In other applications, this is known as match frame. To perform the reveal, you place the positioner on the frame you want and right-click on the segment. Choose Reveal in Media Panel. If the source clip exists in a desktop reel, it will be revealed and selected in the media panel. Similarly, if you swipe for the reels view, you will see the same clip in the center of the reel. What's equally important to note about revealing in the media panel is when you look at the source sequence players, the source clip's positioner is on the exact same frame as the positioner in the sequence. So you could carry on editing without any issues. The Reveal in Media panel also extends to the libraries in the workspace. So if the source clip did not exist in the active desktop, you could still do a reveal in the media panel, and the library will expand to reveal the source clip. Another use case for matching a source is taking a shot out of the sequence to do VFX work as a separate task. Now don't get me wrong, you can just as easily do VFX work inside the sequence, but perhaps you prefer to break the tasks up, or you're distributing the shot to another team member. Flame gives you the choice about how you like to work. So to match a shot out of the sequence, you call up the context menu over the segment and choose Match. The Reels view appears, and your cursor turns white. You can click in a reel or a reel in the media panel, and a copy of the source clip will be generated. Like Reveal in the media panel, if your positioner was placed on a specific frame in the shot, the newly matched source clip will be on the same frame. If you look at the source timeline, you will note that even the in and out points are remembered, making it easier to swap the shot back into the sequence when you're done. Both Reveal in Media Panel and Match take you back to the source clip, but each operation has a distinct difference. When you reveal a source in the media panel, Flame finds the existing source clip and shows it to you. If the source clip is not present in the media panel, you will get an error message. On the other hand, matching out a source clip from the sequence will create a new copy of the source clip in the reel of your choice. This is based on the default settings of Match, with extra options for advanced users. Lastly, Match is just duplicating metadata and not media, so this operation won't fill up your hard drive. Please move on to the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the Flame Learning channel. Thanks for watching.